social networks are emerging very heavily.
Nuclear power is still an important part of carbon-free economy.
Pollution, air quality, water quality, climate change. Time is the crucial limitation.
Everybody has to be innovator.
The world today is ripe with challenge. The issues at hand are often both global and complex and require analytical minds to properly address them. The Lappeenranta University of Technology is one of the key international players recognizing the needs for new solutions. Oddly enough, there's always been a no in technology. Albert Einstein said nuclear power could never be obtained as a source of energy. Western Union thought the telephone could never be used as a means of communication. The inventor of television thought TV could never be used commercially. Lappeenranta University of Technology approaches all fields of study with a can-do attitude.
Pollution, air quality, water quality, acid rain or ozone holes, those all used to be serious problems, but are now, roughly speaking, under control. And all these are also examples where we have been in the past collaborating with different engineers. But time is the crucial limitation. Maybe we don't have more than maybe 20-30 years to solve problems of climate change or poverty or so, simply because the problems also are rapidly increasing. For me, the most exciting thing is the interplay between theory and practical applications. So I'm a mathematician, we create models, and it's always interesting to see how well they actually can predict what happens in the reality.
The one stain in sustainability is the lack of energy that is both renewable and reliable. At LUT, we are hard at work shaping the very face of future. Instead of best practices, we are already looking at next practices. This holds true for our groundbreaking work involving wind power and solar power, smart grid technology, as well as improving the safety of nuclear power plants.
Nuclear technology is having natural risks. By creating accurate models, we are able to plan beforehand better the safety actions what are necessary if there is an exceptional situation in nuclear power plant. Nuclear power is still an important part of a carbon-free economy. On a longer run, it seems to be possible to go to renewables and more environmental friendly technologies. Solar power is one important field to apply power electronic systems, and wind power has already now an important role in energy production. There are nowadays opportunities and technology for everyone to produce energy because it's all over us and available. Smart grid is a method where everybody can take place not only as a consumer but also producer of energy. It's an opportunity for everybody. We just need acceptance also from authorities and decision makers to make this happen.
That nova in innovation may well shed some light on some issues. Through world-class research, scientific breakthroughs are achieved, which can show us the way into the future. LUT spin-offs include, for example, completely new green technology for water treatment, as well as electric cars based on magnet technology. Technology gives us tools, but it is only innovation that will take us to the next level, opening up a brand new world of business opportunities. Linking technological advances with commercial aspirations is in the core of many innovations.
LUT has long history combining technology and business. That's the basis for good environment for innovation. The old question is, can creativity or innovation be taught? I say yes and no. According to the old paradigm, we had certain people who were innovators. Nowadays, everybody has to be innovator, and that can be encouraged by good leadership and management.
Everybody knows there is no I in team, but we'd like to add that business is very much about us. Business excellence rarely centers around a solo performance. Or have you ever heard of a brainstorming session with just one person in attendance?
Well, nowadays the business operates at global level. And in our school we want to make professionals that are analytical, but are also capable in using modern kind of tools, for example social media, in connecting the world around them. LUT is continuously compared internationally, so we are in a competition where there are very many universities and business schools around us. And I think all the time we have to think what makes us different. And I think the starting point is that LUT has a very carefully considered strategy. We feel that our research is especially strong when dealing with strategic change. And at the moment we could say that the modern issues of brand management or social networks or media world are emerging very heavily and changing their role in this sense. So strategic changes and innovations in it make a very core of our research groups.
There is ink in think for a good reason. When it comes to research, we like to see some black on white. Documentation is the anchor of all science. In today's world, research cooperation spans the entire planet, with people from all over the world contributing to the cause.
LUT has a nice role between Europe and Russia. This means that we have partners both in European Union and in Russia, and this makes the collaboration extremely exciting.
Well, our Russian expertise is on a very high level. We have very close connections with Russian universities. We have programs running together with Russian universities. We have research projects going on. Plus, we are using infrastructure together with Russian universities.
At LUT, we believe in bridging business and technology in a way that yields the best results. Through science and technology, we get a glimpse of new worlds that no one even knew existed. Through innovation and business mindset, those visions are realized as new products and services.
LUT is a special university with technology and business, and there are no such other such universities in Finland. If there's only technology, then the business is lacking. So we need both these areas to create business, to create new innovations. Combining these two areas, I think that 1 + 1 is 3.
We don't know who put LUT in evolution, but we're going to make sure it stays there.